Hello students, welcome back to class. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 1.1 from question number 2. In last video, we have discussed exercise 1.1 question number 1 and its examples. Let us see what is question number 2. Question number 2 is, write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. We have to write one pair of negative integers whose difference gives us 8. So minus 4 and minus 8. These are two integers, and if I will differentiate these two integers, then difference gives us 8. Minus 4 and minus 12 you can write there 12. Minus 4 as it is minus plus 12. Answer is 8. So minus 4 and minus 12 is one such pair whose difference is 8. What is B part? Many more pairs will exist whose difference is 8. Second, what is write down a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. We need to write one negative and one positive integer and whose sum is minus 5. Whose sum is minus 5. If I will write minus 10 and 5, that is this minus 10 and 5. One such pair. If I will add these two integers, then I will get answer minus 5. So minus 10 and 5. Similarly, for this condition also, many more pair will exist whose sum will be minus 5. What is C part? Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. One integer should be negative and other should be positive, and if I will subtract these two integers, then my answer is minus 3. So you can write minus 1 and 2. Minus 1 and 2. One negative integers and one positive integer whose difference is minus 3. So question number 2 is completed. Question number 3. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10 and 0, and team B scored 10, 0 and minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? There are two teams, team A and team B. There are 3 successive rounds. Team A score is given to us in all 3 rounds, and team B score is also given to us. We have to find out total score of team A and team B, and then we need to verify can we add integers in any order. There will be any effect or any change on sum, whether we are changing its order or not, that we have to tell at the end of this question. Let us see team A scored. You will write score of team A. What is score of team A? This is minus 40, and in all 3 successive rounds, minus 10, minus 40, 10 and 0. Total score of team A. What is total score of team A? Minus 40 plus 10 plus 0. It will be minus 30. Answer is minus 30. Similarly, we will write score of team B in 3 successive rounds is 10, 0 and minus 40. Now I need to find out total score of team B. Total score of team B. It will be 10 plus 0 plus this minus 40. 10 plus 0 plus minus 40, which give us minus 30. So which team scored more? Both teams scored same score. Both teams scored same score. You can say, can we say that we can add integer in any order? Yes, we can say we can add integers in any order. There I have added minus 40 plus 10 and then 0 is added to it. And there in 10 first 0 is added, then in this result minus 40 is added. So in both case answer is same. So we can say yes, we can add. Yes, we can add integers in any order. In any order. We can add integer in any order. We compared both team score and both team scored same run. We can add integer in any order. There will be no change on your answer. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks to make the following statement true. We need to make the statement true. According to this first question, first part, minus 5 plus minus 8. It is equals minus 8 is as it is. If I will put there minus 5, then this statement will becomes equal and this statement will be true. Minus 5 plus minus 8 is equals to minus 8 plus minus 5. This is commutativity property of integer. Commutative property. Next is minus 53 plus what should be added to this minus 53 such that your answer will be as it is minus 53. So 0 is that number. If I will add 0 to this minus 53, then again I will get minus 53. 17, what should be added to this 17 so that its answer will be 0. This statement I have to make true. If equal and opposite quantity I will add to this 17, then I will get score, then I will get answer 0. Plus 17 and minus 17 answer will be 0. 13 plus, then again this minus 12 plus. What should be added there so that this statement will become true? This is 13. This minus 12 plus what should be there? According to this, from there it is clearly visible that minus 7 should be there. If I will put there minus 7, then this statement will become true. Minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3 is equals to minus 4 plus 15. Minus 4 is added, minus 4 plus 15 plus this minus 3. This is which one property? Associative property. Now first these two terms I have to add, and then in this I will add minus 3. This is associativity property. So to make this statement true, what will be your answer there? Minus 3. Associative property. This is also associative property. And what is there? Number plus its additive inverse give you additive identity of integers. And there if you are adding additive identity of integers to any number, then that number is as it is. Question number 4 is completed. Now exercise 1.2. What is exercise 1.2? Find each of the following product. In this exercise, in last exercise, we have studied how we can add or how we can subtract integers. In this exercise, we are going to find out multiplication. In what order we can multiply two integers, more than two integers. We are going to learn multiplication of integers. 3 is multiplied with minus 1. So you will get answer minus 3. Minus 3 will be your answer. Next is this minus 1 is multiplied with 225. Minus 1 is multiplied with 225. If you will multiply with any number with 1, then as it is result you will get. But if minus is there, so you will put minus 225. It is 225. Minus 21 into minus 30. Minus is multiplied 2 times. Minus minus plus plus minus, you will get minus, and minus plus further you will get minus. Minus multiplied with minus you will get plus, and plus multiplied with plus it will be plus. So keeping these sign in your mind, we have to find out these products. Minus 21 multiplied with 30, minus minus plus, answer will be plus, no need to write. Then multiply 21 with 30, it will be 630 plus 630. In next part, D part, minus 316 multiplied with minus 1. So what it will be? Minus minus plus 316 with 1, answer will be as it is, 316. Minus 15 is multiplied with 0 and then that product again multiplied with the minus 18. Keep in mind, if 0 is multiplied with something, with any number, then it will give us always 0. Your answer is 0. Next is minus 12 multiplied with 11 and then multiplied with the 10. This minus minus plus, and it is also in plus, so plus will plus multiplied with plus, it will be plus. 11 and 22. 12 and 11 we have to multiply. 11 twos are 22, then 2 11 ones are 11 and 2 132. With 10 you will put 0. This is your product. 9 is multiplied with minus 3 and then minus 6. Plus minus, your answer should be minus 9 threes are 27. Then it is further multiplied with the minus 6. So you will write minus minus plus minus minus plus and 27 multiplied with 6. 6 sevens are 42 and 6 twos are 12 and 4 16. 162 will be your answer. You will use 2 steps to solve this one. In first step, you will show product of this 9 and minus 3. In next step, you have to use this minus 27 multiply with the minus 6. Minus 18 with minus 5. 18 fives minus minus plus. It will be minus minus plus. 18 fives are 90, then multiply with the minus 4. Now this plus minus minus, this plus minus will be minus. 90 multiplied with 4, 360 will be your final product. Minus 1 multiplied with minus 2. Minus 1 multiplied with the minus 2. Minus minus plus. It will be plus 2. Further, it is multiplied with the minus 3 and then it is multiplied with the 4. So it will be plus minus minus, 2 threes are 6 into 4. Further, minus plus minus, 6 fours are 20. 4 will be your final product. What is last part? Minus 3 with minus 6. Minus minus plus 3 6 are 18 multiplied with the minus 2 multiplied with the minus 1. 18 twos are 36 plus minus minus 36 into minus 1. Further, minus minus plus 36 with 1, 36 is your answer. So in this way you have to find out product. Keep in mind, minus multiplied with plus minus, minus minus plus, and plus with plus, it will be plus only. So question number 1 is completed of exercise 1.2. What is question number 2? Verify the followings. What is first part? 18 into this 7 plus minus 3 should be equals to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. This we have to verify. What is? In this question, what he want to state? Verify. There are two sides of this question, left hand side and right hand side. I will solve left hand side and then I will solve right hand side. If both answers are same, my left hand side and right hand sides are equal, then I will say this question is verified, otherwise no. If you will see it carefully, then it is distributive property. This multiplication is distributed over addition. Multiplication is distributed over addition. This is distributive property of integer. So let us solve taking one side at a time. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Take left hand side. What is left hand side? 18 into 7 plus minus 3. It will be 18 into 7 plus minus 3 and 18 into 4. 7 minus 3, 4. Now 18 4s are 72. 18 4s are 72. Now take right hand side. Take right hand side. What is right hand side? 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Multiply 18 with 7. 7 8s are 56. 126 plus 18 3s are 54 minus 54. 126 plus minus 54. So subtract it, it will be 72. What you got from there? Your left hand side and right hand side. As left hand side is equals to a right hand side. So you will write hence statement is verified. Statement is verified. There are two sides of this question, left hand side and right hand side. So one by one you will solve and you will see what is your left hand side and what is your right hand side. If you are getting left hand side is equals to right hand side, then you can say it is verified, otherwise no. Question number 2, first part is completed. What is question number 2, second part? It is minus 21 multiplied with minus 21 multiplied with minus 4 plus minus 6. B part. Then it should be multiplied minus this. It is minus 21 multiplied with minus 4 and then plus minus 21 multiplied with minus 6. This is statement we need to verify. So let us do by the same. Take its left hand side. Take left hand side. Left hand side is minus 21 multiplied with minus 4 plus minus 6. Simplify it. This minus 21 will be as it is. We need to simplify this bracket. Minus 4 plus minus 6. Minus 21 multiplied, this will be minus 10. This minus multiplied with minus plus. So it will be 21 into 10, that is 210. Your left hand side answer is 210. Let us check out its right hand side. Take right hand side. What is right hand side? Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Minus 21 multiplied with minus 4 and minus 21 multiplied with the minus 6. Multiply. This minus will be plus. Multiply 21 with 4, it will be 84 plus. This minus 21 multiplied with the minus 6. So minus plus, multiply 21 with 6, it will be 126. Now add 84 this 126. What will be your answer? 10, it is 20, 21. So your left hand side and right hand side both are same. So you will say hence verified. As left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence verified. So question number 2, in both part we verified that their left hand side and right hand sides both are equal. Question number 3, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? Minus 1 into a, for any integer a, whatever be their value a, determine the integer minus 1 into a equal to minus a. This will be your answer. Minus 1 into a is equals to minus a. A is any integer. This is first part. And what is second part? Determine the integer whose product with minus 1. Whose product with minus 1 is minus 22. And product with minus 1 answer is 37, and product with minus 1 answer should be 0. In second part, we need to find out one integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 22 and whose product with minus 1 is 37 and whose product with minus 1 is 0. So we need to find out that integer. This is 21. If I will multiply this 21 with 1, then I will get same integers, but it is of minus. So already minus 1 is there. I will write there 22. 22 multiplied with minus 1 will give us minus 22. Next question, this is 37. This is already minus and plus, then it should be minus. It is plus. So minus and minus should be there. Minus plus minus 37. Answer is 37. And no need to think if your product is 0. So you have to multiply your integer with the 0 because multiplication with 0 will give us 0. This was question number 3. Question number 4. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some patterns to show minus 1 multiplied with minus 1 which give us 1, and starting from there minus 1 multiplied with 5. So let us see how we can complete this pattern and after how many steps we will reach at this step. Minus 1 multiplied with minus 1 equals to 1. So minus 1 multiplied with 5, answer is minus 5. In next step, it is decreasing just minus 1 till minus 1 we have to reach. So I have to take there 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0 and then minus 1. There should be written 4, answer is minus 4. There minus 1 into 3, answer is minus 3. Minus 1 into 2, answer is minus 2. Answer is minus 2. Minus 2. Further, minus 1 with 1, answer is minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied with 0, answer is 0. And then in next step, you will write minus 1 multiplied with minus 1, answer is plus 1. So in fourth question, what you have to do? You have to show some pattern showing this one. Starting from there and last step is this one. So how you will come to know therefore this number should be decreased or increased? There they have given minus 1 multiplied with minus 1. So this number we have to decrease this integer. First multiplied with 5, then with 4, then with 3, then 2, then 1, then 0, and then with minus 1 will give us plus 1. So exercise 1.2 is completed. Tomorrow we are going to start next exercise. Thank you.